Hey everybody out there, Coach Dan Long with the Over 40 Protocol. And today I have an amazing fight-inspired workout that's gonna help you shed the unwanted belly fat, get that flat stomach, six-pack abs, and make it all happen in your own living room. Now listen, you're gonna have to stick with me, okay? Because this won't take long, but these moves are specifically designed for people that are over the age of 40 because the hormones tank at age 35. They just start to decline. It's a natural occurrence. But today I have some specific moves that I spent with a Muay Thai fighter. This man taught me a ton of stuff and some simple stuff that I can pass on to you. I'm gonna share right with you here in the sports compound at D1 at Powerhouse Gym in Tampa, Florida. All right, now all you'll need is some simple dumbbells, okay? Today I have 6-pounders right here. You can use whatever you want, check your intensity. You can do a 3-pound, 6-pound, 10-pound, it's up to you, okay? So I got 6-pound dumbbells here, you're gonna need that. And then the only other thing that you might need is something to jump on. Today I have this, which is so simple and easy because I'm here. But you at home, what you can do is you can use the couch, you can use a step stool, you can use a stair, you can use anything, okay? Now, let's get into these moves, okay? Your first move, now I want you to do every single one of these moves. I want you to do them for 30 seconds straight, okay? 30 seconds, your first move, simple as this. Separate your feet, point your toes out. You got your dumbbells right out in front, okay? Now, you're a fighter, right? Hook, hook, punch, punch, hook, hook, punch, punch, hook, hook, punch, punch. Simple moves, right? But very effective. Cardio based, right? High intensity interval training. Hook, hook, punch, punch, hook, hook, punch, punch. Now, if you want to go faster, you can, just like so. And then that's your first exercise, okay? Now, you're gonna do that for 30 seconds. I would love for you not to take a break. After that, it's as simple as this, holding onto your dumbbells. Okay, I'm gonna step out here. Hold onto your dumbbells. Take a back lunge, raise the hands, boom, crush, right? Back lunge, raise the hands, crush. Just like this, boom, 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 boom. Nice, opposite side, just like this, boom, boom. Now, that move there, 30 seconds on that exercise. Next, I'm gonna drop the dumbbells. I want you to come over to your pad or stairs, whatever it is. Next is, separate feet, point toes out, hands in front. Squat, jump, punch, punch, back down. Squat, jump, punch, punch, back down. Squat, jump, punch, punch. Now, when you do this move, again, 30 seconds. Remember, your intensity is everything. 30 seconds on each one of these exercises, okay? Now, the next exercise, back to your dumbbells. Gotta have your dumbbells, okay? Make sure, you can already feel it. I know I can. All right, next one's gonna be cross body. So, you're using your dumbbells, and all I want you to do is squat, take left knee, cross body. Opposite side, ready? Don't hit your knee, okay? Don't hit your knee. And that is 4 exercises that I want you to use starting today to shed the unwanted belly fat. But here's the thing, if you don't have time and you can't make it to the gym and you need specific protocols because you're over the age of 40 like me, I'm 45 years old. I have trained professional athletes, moms, dads, military, Olympians, you name it. In the end, the one thing that I've always realized is we don't need to train for an hour. All we need is to train for 12 minutes. And if you want that metabolic trick, guess what? I have it for you in just a second. But before I go there, do me a favor, if you love these moves, you want me to do more videos, down in these comments below, tell me that you love it with 2 exclamation marks. I love it with 2 exclamation marks, okay? Hit that like for me. Get this out and share this on your page, share it on social media, share it with a friend, family, or someone. Now here's the thing. Here, the Over 40 protocol that I have, it's gonna be in this link down there, but before you touch it, don't even click it, don't look at it, okay? These moves, are specifically designed to help you, one, not injure your body continuously anymore. Two, help you shed that unwanted belly fat and get you that six-pack of abs or that flat stomach that you're looking for, okay? All the men and women across the globe can do specific moves like this and get the dream body and fit into that dress and fit into that pair of slacks, you gentlemen out there that you want to wear those pants or jeans, that suit, that tuxedo, whatever it is. Yes, you can have it. It's all at this link. It is a 12-minute metabolic, amazing protocol that has been tested for many years, and it has been working for over hundreds of thousands of people just like you that are over the age of 40. So if you're looking to get your dream body and you want to get that dream body now and not later, this link down here is the link to go to right now. Only if you're ready though, okay? Don't forget to show me that love. I want to thank you for stopping with me here today. I'm already out of breath. Can you believe that? Yeah, I'm talking though. I want to thank you for stopping with me. If you're ready and you want that specific 12-minute metabolic protocol, it's down at this link right now. It's your turn to click that. I'll see you on the next video and keep going strong.